News Update.
Hello! Isang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Narito kami upang marinig sa inyo ng mga impormasyon
Sa loob at labas ng ating iglesia.
Ako po si Ira,
Ako po si Jason.
at ito ang
Legal TV.
News Update.
Good news! Dahil last Sunday po, naganap na ang ating second week na workshop seminar na pinamagatang I'm a Tech Savvy.
At continuous pa rin po ito mga kapatid, kaya kita-kita po tayo tuwing alas 5 ng hapon dito sa Lekap TV.
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. For the young people, the youth service is for you, 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday. Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka ng kinabibilangan. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month after our morning service. Huwag kalimutan! For all the church workers, don't forget our workers' fellowship every first Wednesday of the month. This is a great time to have fellowship with one another. Do you have requests, suggestions, or anything you want to share? Send it to thelekapckalaocan@yahoo.com. Now you can check the latest updates and listen to the sermons of our pastors anytime you want. Just visit www.thelekapckalaocan.multiply.com. You can also watch our videos, presentations, and news updates. Just log on to www.youtube.com and simply type the Lekapsi Caloocan in the search engine. Enjoy! Great news! LECFC Caloocan is requesting you to add him in your Facebook account. LECFC Caloocan desires to bond with all of his friends while they're in work, school, internet cafe, coffee shop, and even in their homes. Check it out!
Let's stand firm in our faith to God.
Kaya don't forget to pray for each other.
Kaya hanggang sa muli, abangan ang susunod na edisyon na
Legal TV News Update.
Update!
Shalom!
LCFC News Update.